Hello, my name is Muhammad Nurkondi. I am the narrator in this video. Have a good time watching. Enjoy! We are on our way to Mount Bromo by looking at the surrounding scenery. We arrived at National Park area including Mount Bromo. Long and on the way, we stopped for a moment while looking at the beautiful mountain forest. A few minutes later, we continued our journey to Mount Bromo. The air here is cool because a lot of vegetation is still away, and we cross one giant forest. 25 minutes later, finally we arrived at the hill while looking at the caldera and river path from Mount Bromo. Not long there, we go down the caldera. We waiting our friend go to here and looking around. And see many people here going to Mount Bromo. On the way to Mount Bromo, we're looking at Mount Batok and stop a moment to take video. While on whim, we take videos of people riding motorbikes, and we walking around here and chatting each other too with other members. And this is one of our members doing a selfie videos with others members too. His name is Firman Rizky and showing around scenery too. And walking around here. That was like people to understand about that. And there, Mount Batok other side, we can see Mount Bromo on the side of Mount Batok. Well, there are many clouds. That place have many trees. Are the Tengger Temple in the middle of this caldera, and also seeing scenery and activity people here. We took video Mount Batok from other side again. Luckily, we are going here in clear water. Then we can go everywhere. This is Mount Bromo, which often visited by overseas tourists. But we can go at Summit Bromo with 2 times to rain here at 12 o'clock, local people said. Before he take home, we look again scenery from other side. With a clear sky and grass here grown at caldera. The cloud is coming here. On the way home, they stopped for a moment to avoid experiencing a runaway break. and coincidentally, there was fog on the next hill. After that, we continued our journey back home. That's the video. Thank you for watching.